Right, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today is January 29th 2026. We have no more firewood. That's it. Everything has been sold, and we still have a lot of requests for more firewood, but the stack that I got hasn't been split yet. So my goal for today is to split this firewood, split these rounds and sell them. I have two customers that are looking for a face cord of firewood each, and I'm hoping I can get it done today for them. So we'll see how that goes. Before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and warm up the engine. It's a little cold. It's chilly today, and we are at around 27 degrees. It's gonna be above freezing in a few hours here. So let's crank it up. Next, I have to remove the tarp for the wood splitter, and I gotta crank it up and warm it up. But before I do that, I'm gonna have to refill it up first. A lot of ice on here still. Then we're gonna check and see how much fuel we have left in here. All right, I'm gonna top it off. With 1 tank of fuel, I can make about 1 face cord of firewood. We want to make sure we use non-ethanol gasoline. It's a little bit more expensive, but in the long run, it's better for the carb. Looks good. Now we're gonna crank it up by turning it on over here first. Put it on the on position, and we're gonna put this right in the middle, and we're gonna turn on the choke, and we're gonna crank it. In about 2 crank, it should just warm up. We're gonna let it warm up for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna let it idle slow. In the meantime, we're gonna remove the pallet fork and install the log grapple. But before we do that, we'll go ahead and take this pallet and bring it to the firewood pile. Okay, it's now time for me to go hook up the grapple. So I like to release the pressure from the grapple before I actually hook up the line, in case it's hard to hook up on the actual grapple coupling. So what I do, turn key on, okay, and step on the pedal, and then just move these handles so all the hydraulic fluid is loose. And then we're gonna try to go ahead and plug it in here. Make sure to clean all the connections in here. Okay, and when it's cold like this, it's usually easy. Sometimes it's hard because there's so much pressure in it. Today it seems to be okay. Yeah, it's fine. So that's it, nicely hooked up. Before I get started, I'm gonna grab a couple of these rounds right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and split them in several pieces. It'll be easier for me to go ahead and work with. guys get the idea. I just got a couple more rounds to split. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more rounds to split, and I should be able to start splitting firewood. Okay, well, I just got done with this face cord right here, so I gotta do one more for my other customer, which I'm gonna put it on this pallet this time. So this one took me a little while to do, but time to hop on to the next one. Well, I don't have a lot of firewood left. This is all I got left right here. All these logs over there are pine.